Hinahanap niyo daw ako. Oo. Anong meron?
Kaso sa'yo yan.
Sino nagpasimulon to?
Kami. Ikaw, nag-isa ka.
May kasama ako.
Ganito tayong mga batang San Miguel. Pag nagkita-kita, may San Miguel Pilsen!
Sarap mong kasama.
Sana raw lagi. Gasan nyo na.
Ang sunod na round!
Miguel Pilsen, sarap laging kasama.
Yeah. Lie in the sun. Yeah. My friends are sitting laughing, but I just keep on laughing. They're knocking on my door, but I'm knocking them down. They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun. Whoa, I just wanna lie in the sun. Yeah, lie in the sun. My friends are sitting laughing, but I just keep on laughing. They're knocking on my door, but I'm knocking them down. They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun.
Dear you, baka nakalimutan mo na deserve mo rin ang alaga na binibigay mo. Kaya kami na ang mag-aalaga sa'yo. Sa mga araw na hindi mo kaya unahin ang sarili mo, kami na ang bahala. Your care expert, South Star Drug.
We are a leading global provider of customer solutions, from world-class customer care to IT and software solutions. Our focus, internal and upward growth, nurturing our greatest asset, our people. Quantrix, a symbol of growth, innovation, and unwavering commitment to excellence.
Upang ang mga kabataan ay mas maging malakas at malusog, bumalik sa kalikasan, dagdagan ang sustansya sa katawan. Ionic Concentrated Mineral Drops. Tubig at mga mineral, susi sa malusog na kabataan. Nais mo bang manumbalik ang iyong kalusugan? Bumalik sa kalikasan, dagdagan ang sustansya sa katawan. Ionic Concentrated Mineral Drops. Tubig at mga mineral, sagot sa kalusugan.
Kailangan ko ng kasangga sa bawat umaga. Kaya kahit nasan ako, may dala ko nito.
May pamilya ako na umaasa sa akin.
Kaya kailangan ko ng katulong na maingatan ang aking kalusugan.
Maraming nabubuong alaala kasabay na mabangong aroma.
Sa bawat higop sa tasa.
Nagbibigay ito ng sustansya at pag-asa.
Kasangga ko upang harapin ang hinaharap.
Kasangga ko upang manatiling alisto at matatag.
Kasangga ko abutin man ng magdamag.
Kasangga nating lahat. Ang sarap salubungin ng bagong umaga, lalo na kapag kasama ang sarap ng natural.
Please all rise for the invocation to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Tayo
You may now all take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Executive Committee member of Miss Bicolandia 2023 Pageant Search. Our first member, the owner of Caramel Bake Shop and Pineapple Island Resort in Daet, Camarines Norte, earned master's degree in entrepreneur from Asian Institute of Management. Ladies and gents, attorney Raquel Sienna Jetjet Vergara. Our second member is a Vice President for Operation of LYRR Realty, developer of Deca Homes and NQRDI, developer of Uma Hotel and Residences. Let's give it up for Mr. Richard Toti Rocha. Our third member is a businessman, Regional Governor of Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Region 5. Ladies and gentlemen, a warmest applause to Mr. Ferdinand Don Shah. Our next member is the owner of Rai Rintoy Interior Design, a licensed interior designer. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Rai Rintoy. Our next member is Board of Director of Metro Naga Water District, member of Civic, Social and Religious Organization, and Business Consultant. Ladies and gents, Mr. Mike Roses Pawig. Our next member is the Miss Bicolandia Recruitment Head, an entrepreneur and corporate consultant. Dear friends, Miss Eloisa Ais Badong. Our next member is City Councilor, Vice Chairman of Miss Bicolandia 2023, Chairman, Sangguniang Committee on Culture and Arts. Dear friends, Honorable Jose Cho Perez. Last but not the least, our City Councilor and the Chairman of Miss Bicolandia 2023. A warmest applause to Honorable Jose Sonny Ranyola, MD. Ladies and gentlemen, a warmest applause as we present to you the Naga City officials. Our SK Federation President, Honorable Mary Kyle Francine B. Trupalca. Maria Corazon M. Peñaflor. Honorable Antonio B. Beltran. Honorable Salvador M. Del Castillo, JD. Honorable Jose Joe B. Perez. Honorable Jose Sonny Ranyola, MD. Honorable Vidal B. Castillo. Honorable Gail Abunal Gomez, PhD. Honorable Melvin Ramon Omar G. Buenafe. Honorable Hill G. Rosales, JD. Honorable Joselito S.A. Del Rosario, PhD. Honorable Jesse R. Albius, D.M.D. Naga City Vice Mayor, Honorable Cecilia B. Velas Diazis. Dear friends, please welcome the lovely First Lady of Naga City, Attorney Marion Eloisa Ligacion. At ang pinakamamahal nating ama ng lungsod, ardent supporter of Miss Bicolandia 2023 pageant, our city's chief executive, Honorable Nelson Ligacion, Naga City Mayor.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Our City Vice Mayor Cecilia Veluz Diazis, Councilor Doc Jess Albios, Councilor Lito del Rosario, Councilor Attorney Uying Rosales, Councilor Doc Gail Abonal Gomez, Councilor Doc Sani Ranyola, Councilor Joe Perez, Councilor Judith Beltran, Councilor Salvador del Castillo, Councilor Vidal Castillo, and Liga President Councilor Corazon Peñaflor, and of course, our City Councilor General Omar Buenafe. My wife, Attorney Marion Eloisa Ligacion, municipal mayors here present, the executive committee members, and our board of judges, headed or chaired by Miss Rene Salud. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, welcome to the Miss Bicolandia 2023 Beauty Pageant. It is an absolute pleasure to see you all gathered here tonight, sharing in the beauty and culture of our beloved Bicolandia. Accordingly, I am extending my sincere appreciation to you all who have come to join us, including our visitors from near and far. As Mayor of Naga, I am proud to host this prestigious event in our vibrant and welcoming city. Naga City has always been a place of rich traditions, warm hospitality, and remarkable growth. Tonight, we continue that tradition by showcasing the talent, intelligence, and beauty of our Bicolana candidates. Let me therefore express my gratitude to the Executive Committee headed by Councilor Doc Sani Ranyola, all the sponsors, and all those who have worked tirelessly to make this evening possible. So let us all enjoy this remarkable night, celebrate the essence of Bicolandia, and support our amazing candidates. Once again, welcome to the Miss Bicolandia 2023 Beauty Pageant. Coronation night, of course. Mabuhay ang Bicolandia! Mabuhay ang Naga! Thank you and enjoy the evening.
From 6 Bicolandia provinces, 17 gorgeous ladies, 1 coveted crown, live from the Jesse M. Robrado Coliseum in Naga City. This is the longest running and most prestigious pageant search in the region. Miss
Bicolandia 2023 Beauty Pageant! Chilani. Angela. Iris. Venice. Sandil. Chrisette. Shaina. Anika. Rainaline. Angela. Sharon. Triksha. Haname. Precious.
What's wrong with being confident? It's time to get the chains out. Is your tongue tied up? 'Cause this is my ground and I'm dangerous and you can get off. But it's all about me tonight. So you say I'm complicated, that I must be out my mind. But you've had me underrated, rated. What's wrong with being confident? 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 What's wrong with being confident?
Please welcome tonight's host, Mr. International Philippine 2022 and GMA Sparkle Hunk, Mr. MJ Ordeliano!
It's time for me to take it.
Marhay na Banggi, Naga City! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bico's region's largest and longest running and most prestigious pageant search, Miss Bicolandia 2023. Let's give them all a round of applause, everybody. All right, to our 17th official candidates with Naga City's homegrown talent, CC Arias, singer, and GMH dancers, ladies, you all look wonderful in that Sunny Boy Bingo modern artwork production outfit. Round of applause again, everybody, for Sunny Boy. Ladies, you may now prepare for the next phase of tonight's event. I'm delighted and super excited to be here with all of you tonight. And I'm very fortunate and honored to share the stage with one of the country's pride, Miss Eco International 2018 and GMA Sparkle artist, Miss Tia Tomala.
Magandang gabi, Bicolandia! Good evening, Naga City! It's such an honor to be here tonight, and thank you so much for your warm welcome and terrific hospitality. part of Bicol Region's premier pageant, we can't wait to see who will be the fairest of them all.
Yes, indeed. For the past several years, this awaited beauty pageant is the kickoff ceremony of the Peña Francia festival, a religious as well as cultural event that our beloved city of Naga is famous for.
And speaking of Naga City, we again thank the entire city and its people for their warm welcome and hospitality, and our city officials for having us here. Maraming salamat po. Mayor Nelson Ligacion, Vice Mayor Cecilia De Asis, Councilor Jess Elbeos, Councilor Joselito Del Rosario, Councilor Hill Rosales, Councilor Omar Buenafe, Councilor Gail Abonal Gomez, Councilor Vidal Castillo, Councilor Sonny Ranyola, Councilor Jose Perez, Councilor Salvador Del Castillo, Councilor Antonio Beltran, Councilor Corazon Peñaflore, Councilor Mary Kyle Tripolca, and with us also is on this memorable evening are the dedicated and hardworking men and women of Miss Bicolandia 2023 Executive Committee members. Chairperson Councilor Sonny Ranyola, Vice Chairperson Councilor Jose Perez, and our members, Attorney Jet Vergara, Mr. Toti Rocha, Mr. Ferdinand Cha, Mr. Ryan Toy, Ms. Eloisa Badong, Mr. Alan Riondanga, Ms. Zayda Ferrifaret, Engineer Alexandria Canim, Engineering Services, Engineer Joel Martin, Special Concerns and Solid Waste Management Services, Engineer Jarwin Evangelista, Electrical Services, Dr. Ronaldo Amoranto, Health Services, Police Colonel Nelson Pacalso, Security Services, Mr. Rene Gumba, Public Safety and Traffic Services.
Dr. Elna Chia, Dr. Kiara May Chia of Chia OBGYN Clinic, Document Screening Team, Mrs. Dolores de los Reyes, City Civil Registry, and our Document Screening Team, Mrs. Dolores de los Reyes, City Civil Registry Office. Sa inyong pong lahat, our sincerest thanks. Let's give them all a hand for a job well done. Our 17 official candidates you've seen earlier have gone through a very stringent selection process done by our executive committee last August 26th at the Villa Caceres Hotel. A preliminary swimsuit and evening gown competition was held last September 2 at Robinson's Place, using basic criteria used in national pageants. The candidates are evaluated by the preliminary judges according to the form and figure, poise, projection, and confidence for the swimsuit round, and the elegance, poise, and projection and overall impact for the evening gown competition. In addition, a closed-door interview wherein each candidate are judged based on beauty of face, form, figure, personality, and intelligence. The composite scores of each candidate on these three crucial rounds of competition are added to determine our top 10 finalists for tonight. Let's get to know the distinguished men and women of the judging panel who have had an important decision to select tonight's winner. Here's my beautiful partner, Thea.
We have Mr. Owen Reyes, professional fashion and portrait photographer, creative director of DNC Magazine, creative director of Binibining Pilipinas Magazine, associate photographer of Miss International and Mr. International. Once again, Mr. Owen Reyes. Took up degree in Culinary Arts and Arts Institute of Seattle, entrepreneur, content creator, and licensed financial advisor. Mr. Grand Philippines 2022. Finished first runner-up in the Mr. Grand International 2022 held in Trinidad and Tobago. We have Mr. Criston Carlo de los Santos. have professional fashion and portrait photographer, official photographer, and the man behind the fabulous and creative photos of Binibining Pilipinas, photographer of Mr. and Miss International, and co-owner of Clickbox Photography. We have Mr. Raymond Saldana. Next judge is an accomplished triathlete, ambassador of the Department of Agriculture for food and security and various brands, entrepreneur and owner of Sept and Chon Food Express. Won the title of Miss Aura International 2021 held in Turkey. We have Miss Aura Philippines 2022 and Miss Aura International 2022, Miss Alexandra Faith Garcia. National President of Philippine Councilors League, we have Honorable Handy T. Lau. Next judge is an international events director, one of the outstanding men and women of the Philippines 2019 and 2023 in the field of fashion, creative consultant for Los Angeles Fashion Week 2022, head of Miss Universe 2016 Ancillary event in Davao, head of Philippine Tapestry Fashion Show World Tour by the Department of Tourism. We have Concon Siniel. Next judge is a Manila-based fashion show director, host of FB live stream Absolute Divine Live with Raymond Villanueva, board member, executive committee of Binibining Pilipinas Charities and Corporation. We have Raymond Villanueva. Our next judge is a chemist by profession and the Group Senior Regulatory Affairs Executive of Watson's Philippines, the #1 health and beauty retail store in Asia since 2009. We have Ms. Belle Pisaico. And our next judge is a Philippine fashion ambassador to the world, well-known beauty queen maker and part-time actor, chairperson of the Board of Judges. Let us welcome Mama Rene Salud. Back to you, MJ.
Alright, ready na ba kayong lahat? Got more, we need more energy, guys. Ready na ba kayong lahat, Bicol? Gusto ko, that's right. Let's keep tonight's temperature a bit higher. Wearing swimsuits exclusively designed by Philippines pageantry's premier swimsuit designer, Sonny Boy Mindo, with the reigning Miss Bicolandia 2022, Rima Adacodin. Here are the 17 official candidates of Miss Bicolandia 2023 for the swimsuit presentation.
Show you how I get it done. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna be proud to be the me that I become. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Once I